Hello, welcome to our video on how to negotiate debts easily. If you are experiencing financial difficulties and have accumulated debts, don't worry, you are not alone. Many people go through this situation, and the good news is that there are ways to negotiate your debts and get out of this difficult situation. Here are some more tips on how to negotiate debts with your creditors. Know your rights as a consumer. Before you start negotiating, it is important that you know your rights as a consumer. Read about consumer protection laws and know what creditors can and cannot do. If a creditor is violating your rights, you have the right to report them. Consider getting help from a professional. If you have no experience in negotiation or feel overwhelmed by your debts, consider getting help from a professional. A financial advisor or lawyer can help you understand your options and negotiate with your creditors. Be prepared to compromise. Negotiating debts is a process of compromise. Be prepared to make concessions in your payment offer or to accept a less favorable offer from the creditor. The important thing is to find a solution that works for both parties. Seek other sources of income. If you are struggling to pay your debts, consider seeking other sources of income. A second job or freelance work can help you pay off your debts more quickly and relieve financial stress. Create a budget. A budget is an essential tool for anyone trying to negotiate debts. Create a realistic budget and try to follow it as much as possible. This will help you control your spending and avoid accumulating more debts. Stay positive and persistent. Negotiating debts can be a long and stressful process, but it is important to stay positive and persistent. Remember that there is a solution to every problem and that you can find a solution to your debts. Celebrate every progress. Finally, don't forget to celebrate every progress you make towards paying off your debts. Every payment made or agreement negotiated is a step towards a healthier financial life. We hope these additional tips have been helpful to you. Remember that it is important to be honest and transparent throughout the negotiation process. Most creditors are willing to work with you to find a solution, as long as you are sincere and make an effort to pay your debts. If you have any questions or want to share your debt negotiation experience, leave a comment below. We hope you enjoyed the video, and remember, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more personal finance tips. See you in the next video.